If I needed a smoke break. What do you got there, champ?
Some bendy pics from DeviantArt.
Oh, I don't give a fuck. Let me look at it. Oh, my lord! How could you? My lord, I'm such a skank. Sheet, it's time for bleach. Rest your stains, it's time to hang.
What the fuck are you doing with my clothes?
I'm washing them. Our Lord needs it. I need it, you need it, we all need our clothes hung from the ceilings. My lord, he needs them.
But what the fuck does this have to do with anything at all?
Absolutely nothing. It's a simple task, you see. Why? Why worship a god?
Wait,
Why worship a god when you can worship a sugar daddy? Ew. Oh,
my
lord.
lord.
What the fuck is this?
Hello there, bitch.